Look at this migration coming in here. That's why they were all dipping and whipping around. We were looking the wrong way. Oh, wow. There's one way back there. Let's see. Wow, these things are strange looking. They almost disappear, man. Look how still that water is. Oh, there's more coming in too. So they're setting up for the migration south for the winter. See, look, flocks of seagulls make a lot of like strange, anomalous and looking shit in the sky. One night, me and my buddy saw some seagulls in the night, flipping around, flying left and right, and we were freaked out. Thought it was we were seeing a UFO. That sun's hurting my freaking eyes though. So bright.